What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw and color a cute elf on the shelf. Let's begin in the center of our page with the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down. And we'll just bend that back up on the right. Now from here, we're going to move up and draw a short curve going up and then down for the bridge of the nose. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and curve the cheeks on top of the eyes. Let's start over on the left, draw a curve going up, and then we'll bend that down. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Now let's tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks. On the left, we're going to step in, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around towards the top of the eye. Round out the top, come around, and then back out in behind the cheek. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, round out the eye, and then pull that back in. Now you want to draw a character looking over towards the left. Let's start from the very top of the left eye, curve this around, and then back out in behind the cheek, go to the top of the right eye, and do the same thing. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. And then from the top of the highlight, we're going to follow that same curve, going all the way around, and then back out. Let's fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to go back underneath the nose, step down and draw in the mouth. Starting over on the left, curve this down, and then up, and we'll add a fold on the side of the mouth. Now let's go out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, just going to curve this down, just going to round out the chin just underneath the mouth, go across, and pull that back up on the right side. Now I'm going to round up the top of the head, starting back on the left, curve this out, and then back in. Let's connect the top of the head with a curve. We go up in the middle, round this out, and then bring that back down on the right. Let's go back to this point on the side of the head. We're going to curve the hair coming in, and then up towards the top. Now let's draw in the center of the hair. Starting back on the left side, curve this down and across towards the middle, curve down and then out towards the left. And we'll pull the hair going up towards the right side, bending this out and then up. Let's add two curves above each eye for the eyebrows, going up and then in, and we'll line this up on the right side. Now you want to tuck the ears along the side of the head. Let's start from the side of the hair, curve the ear going out, down, and then bend that in. Let's line this up on the right, going out, down, and then in. And we'll add that fold inside the ear. Starting from the side of the head, curve this up and out. Now we're going to start from the top of the ears and curve the hat going up and then in toward the center point. Let's start on top of the left ear, going straight up. We'll start to bend that in toward the top point, right in the middle. And then go out towards the right. And we'll just bend that down on top of the right ear. Now I'm going to add that seam across the top of the hat. You want to follow this curve, starting over on the left, going up the middle. And we'll bend that back down. Now we're going to move down and draw the side of the collar. Let's start over on the left side of the head, angle this down and out, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to pull this back in with a straight line, right about there. Now I'm going to add 2 points along the bottom, starting on the left, come down and in, And we'll pull this back up towards the center point. And we want to tuck the body in underneath the collar. From this point, we're going to step out. Just going to angle this down and out towards the bottom. And then from the bottom, draw a short line coming in towards the legs. Let's add two curves for the top of the legs. Starting over on the left, curve this up. Just bend that down in the center. And go up and out towards the right. From that center point, let's draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Go out to the side and draw that same length line, coming down towards the same height. Now you want to connect each of these points with a curve, coming down towards the bottom of the foot, and then back up. Now from here we move back up and draw the arms. Let's start from the top of the body, angle this down and out towards the same height as the body. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the thumb. We come down, pull this up towards the tip of the thumb, and pull that back in. Let's go to the tip of the thumb. We're going to curve the hand, going out, up towards the top, and we'll just bend that down towards the inside of the arm. Now from the top of the hand, we're going to draw that same angled line going up and in underneath the collar. Now we're going to layer the shelf in behind the body. Let's start from the left side of the leg, draw a straight line going all the way across, just underneath the hand, towards the outside. And I'm just going to line this up over on the right, going all the way out. Let's draw two short lines coming down towards the bottom of the shelf. And then again, we're just going to pull that back in behind the legs with a straight line. Now you want to angle the top of the shelf in. So from this top corner, angle this up and in beside the hand. Draw a straight line coming in, continue in between the hand and the body, and then over on the right side. And there's our drawing of an elf on the shelf. Now we're going to grab some markers and I'll show you how to color this in. Let's begin with a red marker and fill in the top of the hat. And then we'll fill in the arms. And then the body. And then the legs. And then with our skin tone, we're going to fill in the head and the ears. And with our bright blue, we'll fill the outside areas of the iris. And filling in the hair with our dark brown. And then filling in the shelf with this light brown. And then finally, we'll warm up the cheeks with this pink pencil crayon. And there we have it. That's how we draw and color the elf on the shelf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.